So here we are outside of Wat Nong. Sabai Songkran, happy Khmer New Year. Don't really get a good idea as to how many people are here. Probably somewhere around 500,000. Absolutely crazy. Never seen anything like it. Biggest party in the world. Look at all these people. Everybody happy. Sabai Songkran. Massive amounts of people. And it keeps going all the way around Wat Nong. So it's not the greatest angle, but shit ton of people. It's probably the second biggest party in the world. And you see all the orange in the background. These are all monks. Otherwise known as the Water Festival or Songkran. Hello.